Hi guys, Carolyn over here. I'm just gonna go over the bird dog for you guys. This is a great core exercise and also it's gonna work on your posterior chain and some balance. So you're gonna go on all fours. You wanna have a nice tabletop back. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna extend one arm and one leg, so opposites will be extending. Hold it for a couple seconds and then right to the other side. Another variation of this, you can go into a bear crawl position where you go on your toes here and you just elevate your knees a little bit harder. Okay, it's another variation. You could also do this from a push-up position plank. So you're here, opposite. And lastly, you could do it also from your elbows.